We have our essentials, our mask, and hand sanitizer. These are super nice. I love wooden benches. Love them. Super cute. Show you guys a couple of other things. This might be too boho rustic for me. Those are gorgeous. These are interesting. Okay, I love these. So Homegoods was an epic fail, as you guys could see. It was like a couple little things, but for the most part, they didn't really have anything. So I'm gonna go in World Market. There's a couple of things I need in there with this mask. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me into World Market, and then we'll go to Target. Okay guys, World Market was pretty much empty, so we're just gonna skip ahead and go to Target. I'm back and I did a little bit of an outfit change just because I'm about to go on a walk with my neighbor. So I have like 10 minutes to film this. None of the stores really had anything in them today. I was really surprised. I've been to that same Homegoods like 2 other times, and I feel like they had stuff in there, but today they didn't really have anything at all. So as far as home decor items go, I only got a couple of items, so I'll just show you guys. So from World Market, I got this spatula thing, like it's basic, right? I got this thing, and I'll do like a haul with everything else that I bought, things I've been stacking up along the way. These things are just so perfect. It goes with the vibe of my house. As you guys can see, my entryway table over there. I had already had one of these, but it broke, so I had to replace it. Boom, boom. And then from Target, I got these eucalyptus stems. There's one more. Oh, it's on the floor. I already have 3 stems I bought a while ago, and I haven't seen them in the store since. So when I saw them today, I'm like, let me pick some up. They're $5.99 each. They're the Hearth and Hand line. These are like my favorite, like out of all the stores I've been to find faux eucalyptus stems, this line to me is the best one. So I picked those up. I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet, but I just wanted to pick some up just in case, since I haven't seen them for a while. And then Homegoods, there was a purse I really, really loved, and then some bins to organize my refrigerator, but the line was literally wrapped around the place. So I'm like, you know, it's not worth it. I'll just come back another day when they have more stuff. But they did have some planters that I thought was super cute. I showed you guys in the video, and then the little cement looking, what is it called? Like tabletops. I don't know exactly what they're called, but yeah, those were super cute. I think I might go back for those. All right guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you guys like these type of videos, give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to see future videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.